Greetings, esteemed colleagues, athletes, coaches, and the dedicated member of sporting community. Today, we gather to address a topic that transcends mere competition. It is about the integrity of our sport, health of the athlete, and the spirit of fair play that bind us all together. As technology weaves itself into the every fabric of our life, it inspires us to think creatively, collaboratively, to tackle the challenges we face, not least which include the dissemination of vital information about anti-doping practices.
Imagine just for a moment a world where every athlete, coach, and support staff member has access to real-time information that empowers them against the threat of doping. A platform that is not simply a repository of resources, but a vibrant and interactive community where knowledge is shared, questions are answered, and education is championed in a way which is clear, engaging, and effective.
Today, I am thrilled to announce an innovative website that dedicated to showcasing the cutting-edge technology solution that can do just that. This digital hub not only speaks authorship, the voice of our international federation, but also became a pulsing heartbeat leading the charge against doping by maximizing awareness, understanding, and ultimately compliance. To serve this purpose, we have designed a process flow which is as follows. First of all, user will register on the portal. When you log into the website, user dashboard will appear where there will be an overview of available feature and progress. You will get personalized content based on your profile. You will also get access to the features like multilingual content, educational module, gamified learning, and safe supplement empowerment. Then onwards, we will also provide real-time update which has a section, news section, which consists of latest news and articles related to anti-doping. Last but not the least, we will provide community interaction, consists of blog section where user can share their experience and views.
Now let's dive deeper into the features and learn how will they effectively work for our website. First of all, we have multilingual digital platform which will offer anti-doping information in multiple languages for accessibility in remote areas. Secondly, we have gamified learning which includes interactive quizzes, challenges and simulations enhancing retention of anti-doping information. Third, we have analytics and impact measurement which utilize analytics to track user engagement, measure learning outcomes and collect feedback for content refinement. Then we have community and blog section which is a space for users to discuss clean sport, share insights on doping risk and contribute to anti-doping awareness through peer discussions. How will our solution address to our problem? First, community engagement. We have a community for athletes to share experiences and collaborate on maintaining clean sports. Then, we have also introduced expert lessons which are created by specialists on therapeutic use exemptions, TUE, doping violations and maintaining athlete biological passports ABP. Lastly, we have engaging multimedia interactive content where we will be uploading videos, infographics and interactive modules with real life scenarios. How our solution is unique in its own way. First, we have AI-driven doping agent search, which is basically a tool for identifying banned substances, providing detailed reports on their effects and side effects. Then, we have safe supplement empowerment, which unlocks book lab tests via the app and receive reports on prohibited substances aligned with WADA standards. You will get notifications on results and safe usage tips. Lastly, we have Doping Control Officer Education DCO, which has comprehensive materials to prepare users for real-world responsibilities and drug testing protocols related to doping violations. The website we unveil is more than a fount of information. It is a tangible reflection of commitment to fostering environment where athletic integrity is paramount.
Thank you. Let's pave the way towards a brighter future.